Today I am carving a piece of red quartzite, which is a very hard stone commonly used in countertops. There's the sketch there of what I'm planning to carve out of this. This piece is a test piece for when I have to carve this stone, which is 280 pounds, quite a bit bigger, but I want to know how this rock carves. Due to this stone being just an extremely hard stone and made almost entirely of silica, it's something that you want to carve when wet. So here I just sprayed some water on there and carved it to reduce the dust. Start with this stone. I started with a big angle grinder with a centered diamond saw on it and roughing out and making fret cuts and then knocking out the frets with a hammer. This stone is so hard that I really don't want to do that much grinding and shaping with the angle grinder. Just from this little bit I managed to put a nice bevel on the edge of that blade. Working back in there with the big 9-inch centered diamond saw, really shaping out and making some of those lines for how I wanted to bring the corner around and kind of make an S-curve. For most of the shaping of this piece, I did use a 5-inch centered diamond cut and grind blade, but here I am switching to a diamond cup wheel, which allows you to just have a little bit more control. This tool is used a lot on really hard stones. I got this nifty laser level guide with a gimbal in it, which allows it to just find level really easily so I don't have to worry about having a level surface before I cut the base. Basically just line it up, sketching out, and then saw off the base flat. Now that the base is flat, I get to polish the piece. I'm using a pneumatic machine polisher with a center water feed with a 3-stage polishing pad system with diamonds of various sizes embedded in the polishing pads. This is going from step 1, and then here I jump to step 3, and you can see how it gets pretty shiny, just like a countertop. After polishing it all up, here's what I got. I call it the heart of quartzite, even though my roommate seems to think it looks like a scapula. I would consider this a pretty successful test, and I can't wait to get started on the big piece.